That's right, she looks like a shanty, yeah. She wears her dress with no panties, no.
After a hiccup last year that prevented the predominantly Haitian band to take the Parkway last year, Banboche Mas took to Eastern Parkway earlier this month for the annual West Indian American Day Parade. Their participation in the parade this year marks the first time in years there was a costumed Haitian band in the parade. Their theme this year, Labadie, a popular port stop for Royal Caribbean. Here's a look of what went on behind the scenes.
I'm from LA. This is my first Mass, and I'm here because I always wanted to do the experience, and I finally get to do it, so I'm excited. Like, I've seen videos, I've heard stories, like the energy of the crowd, repping our flag, Haitians, big ups to Haiti. I'm just excited.
On camera, you already know what it is, Banboche Mas. We here live and direct.
I'm here for a good party, good time, good vibes. Everybody's here. We have a good time. It's always great every year. You know, hanging out, trying to get measurements and ideas and watching everybody try on different things. So it's just a preparation where we start the year before and get everything ready for the next year after. And it's just a great time of getting all your outfits, getting the colors, getting the themes. You know, right now this is a Banboche Mas, and it's just great. There's no fuss, no fight, and it's just good to see everybody having fun because there's so much stress in the world right now. So get together, listen to some music, get some vibes, and it's just great.
I'm here to just celebrate all the West Indies, and I wanted to be a part of the first Haitian flow because this is my first festival, so I'm really excited about that. I love to celebrate Carnival. I've been to Barbados. It's my first time actually jumping in Flatbush, Brooklyn, and it's why not with the Haitian band, so I'm very excited to be here.
Highlights included appearances on the float from singer and comedian Jessie Woo.
Let me tell you something, rain or shine, we wanna hit the Parkway, right? We gonna party like Haitians, right? DJ, talk to me!
Music from DJ Stakz, DJ Pretty Nyce, and DJ Hard Hitting Hair. Rising star Tadia Toussaint also joined in and performed her new single.
Down low.